In BUSA 100, the next assignment to complete is the Executive Summary assignment. This is fairly an easy assignment. It's actually due on April the 1st, so instead of this date of March 1st, move it to April the 1st, which is Wednesday. Give you about a week to complete it. This is more than likely going to take you only a couple of days, but that'll give you some extra time to be sure that it's prepared correctly. So now that the business plan is written, it's time to summarize it for the reader, for example, an investor. That way they can read it quickly and examine the results if they choose to. In about 2 pages, if it happens to run to 3 pages, that will be okay. But in about 2 to 3 pages at the most, you need company name and contact person. Now, what you can also do is include your logo, if you have a logo as well, to put that information inside this executive summary. In addition to that, you want to include the type of business. Investors often look for particular industries, so make it easier for them to understand exactly what industry you're serving and the company's product concisely. For example, less than 20 words for both would be great. But if you need to expound to really communicate your point, that will be okay as well. Company summary. What is your primary product or service? What are the major benefits? And include maybe a summary of your startup costs. This is very important here. Management. Provide a very brief 1 or 2 sentence each description of each manager's background, business experience, and qualifications for running this business. This may take you a little bit, but be sure it's summarized very quickly and high level. Lastly, the target market. You want to discuss the specific market the company will serve and some basic information. Maybe, for example, how many competitors are in your space already. What's the company's niche marketing in this area, and how large is the market? This information is more so in your executive summary, which is basically the first document that most investors will read, but it's the last document. So this is the part that actually is an example of an executive summary. The executive summary will include the business type, in this case is Apollo Power, a company summary, a brief overview of the management team, and their names have been taken out, the target market that you can expect, information that actually you want to make sure you include, like taking this to this next page so it doesn't look like an afterthought. And that's basically the main information that we need in this particular document. So be sure to read and review this example of executive summary that's included in your module for completion of the executive summary. And again, the deadline to turn this report in is Wednesday, April 1st. And what we'll actually get a chance to do is in the next couple of weeks, we'll get a chance to finalize and summarize our overall document to be sure it all looks good and it's all connected together in one complete document. So we'll work on that during class or during our virtual classes over the next couple of weeks. Thank you.